how to guide your customer in their network and making sure that their network is in a position where it's going to support a camera system. So, what we usually do on small scale camera systems, 16 cameras and under, we're not typically too worried about that. That's pretty standard. You're going to typically run with, 16 IP/PoE networking cameras and probably run to an NVR. You don't typically need to go into a software solution for that. But when we get into a larger scale, whether you're going with an NVR system or a software solution, you really want to make sure that your customer has got a solid network foundation that's going to support those cameras. Think about it. You're sending video. Imagine when you go to YouTube or you stream any video or you stream a 4K video through your internet at home. This is the same thing, except it's a lot of videos going through the network at the same time. That takes a lot of network to be able to do it. So what we usually recommend is that they need to get their IT team involved, and sometimes they're okay with that and sometimes they're not. But it doesn't matter what brand cameras your customer goes with. If they don't get their IT team involved and get the network infrastructure in place to support it, no camera system is going to work the way that they want it to work if it's not there. So it's really important that we start the conversation. So what does Opticom offer with this? What we do is we will actually work with your IT team as well as the person that is coordinating the camera system at the facility to make sure that we're all on the same page. So if your guy can tell us, hey, here's how many cameras we want to go with right now, here's what our future expansion is going to look like down the road, we can actually give the parameters at which your infrastructure needs to meet in order for that camera system to work. So then we can pass that along to the IT team and they can begin to build the network infrastructure. So I hope that that clears up a little bit of the process for you on how to proceed with your customer on this. You don't have to know the answers. You just have to know where to guide them and where to point them to do this. We're always happy to help and happy to have that conversation with you and your customer together. So if you have any questions, feel free to call our office, or if you want to go to our website, www.opticomtech.com, we have a link on the homepage where you can set up a time to schedule a time to chat with somebody from Opticom. I hope this helps.